Hello. Today, I want to invite you to make these place card holders with me, using your Cricut or Silhouette Cameo machine. Our download includes the SVG files, and they match this beautiful trifold pocket card in the same style. This will be the final result of our project, a place card and another small card that you can use as a save the date, or for any other stationery need. Let's start with the first file, the place cards. Once the file is loaded into your cutting software, I'll be working with Cricut Design Space. Go to the right side panel and expand the product layers. I identify the fold lines and change the operation from cut to score. The lines have changed from solid to dashed, and you can see the word score right under the lines. Once this is done, click on the design and select the ungroup icon. Then, select the score line and the main layer, and click Attach. Now, our file is ready to cut. Click on Make. On your Prepare screen, you can see that both the basic cut and score functions are active on the same cutting mat. Other layers, like the bows and the small text boxes, are organized on different mats. It's time to choose our cut settings by clicking Continue. Under Browse All Materials, I'll select the Cardstock for Intricate Cuts setting with 2 passes. I'll also select the Scoring Stylus tool. Click Continue, and it's time to prepare our materials. I have 250-gram cardstock ready, which is about 91 pounds. Notice that I placed tape on the sides of the cardstock to secure it to the mat for a safer and more precise cut. Look at this beautiful result. It's perfect, and the bows are very well defined. Now, let's cut these bows in gold, though you can use pink if you prefer. See how pretty they look. They cut really well because they are made from a high-quality SVG file. Next, we'll cut the small rectangles for our place card. Note that this is a reversible design. Assembly is very easy. Before gluing the bows, we will fold along the score lines. We define the creases with my bone folder. Once that's done, it's time to glue the bows. Glue the bows in each indicated spot according to the shape. Then, insert the rectangles through the slots. You can add any text you like here. Since it's a reversible place card, the text can be seen from both sides. And our product is ready. Now, I want to show you the next holder included in the download. It's very easy to cut and doesn't require any score line configuration, just load the file and cut it directly. You can resize it if you want. Once the 3 layers are cut, glue the bow. Insert the card as I'm showing you now. The card goes under the bow like this. Remember that this file and others in this style are available in our Etsy shop, Exodus 31 Designs. You'll find favor boxes, lanterns, and gatefold cards in the links I'll leave in the description. This is truly a beautiful stationery set that will be a success at your Coquette style event. You can make it with any machine that supports SVG formats, like Cricut or Silhouette. We include studio formats as well. Please contact us if you have any questions or special requests. Thanks for joining me.